Your future is in sight with First Sight's Bae. My name is Robbie Domingo, and today, let me take you through the winning dream that can be your reality. Let's go. First Sight's Bae offers two beautiful homes that will surely capture your eye. And first up, we've got the Alora series. Well, this vibrant colored row house with loft comes with a living area, your own dining, kitchen, a toilet and bath, and a bedroom. Besides the fact that this unit is perfect for those who want to start living on their own, the Alora series is expandable. And now, let's take a look at the Amani Townhouse. Now, this cool colored townhouse unit is bigger in size. You got your own living area, dining, kitchen, a toilet and bath, 2 bedrooms, plus a provision for a carport with fence and gate, just like what you're seeing. And now, let's go inside. Ganda, sobra. Now, for the Amani Townhouse units, you can choose either yung Amani End or Amani Inner. Pero may provision kayong mag-expand. Kung gusto nyo gawin yun, then get the Amani Plus. Kung gusto nyo naman na palakihin talaga yung unit, pwede nyo i-combine yung Amani End and Amani Inner, and you will get the Amani Tandem. You have Amani options. Dami. First Sight's Bae gives you quality and attractive homes where you can enjoy a healthy and active lifestyle, and where essentials are accessible anytime, anywhere, and where the community feels good and alive. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? Tara, let's fall in love at first sight.